Hello and welcome everyone. Uh, Good evening, everyone. My name is Yasser Gulfraz, and today we'll go through our second session of Introduction to Research and Academic Skills. Today's topic is Understand Common Steps in Producing Academic Work, Learning Outcome 2. Can you see my screen? Can you hear my voice, everyone? Okay, so indicative contents. Throughout this session, we will explore key aspects of academic research and writing, including how to use the uh, internet effectively for research, evaluate sources, and organize information using digital tools. Additionally, we will discuss the importance of proper referencing and citation techniques to avoid plagiarism, as well as the skills required for paraphrasing, synthesizing information, and editing work to meet academic standards. Key terminology: mixed method, combining qualitative and quantitative research approaches; hypothesis, proposed explanation or assumption to be tested; variable, elements of a study that can change independently; dependent control, sampling, the process of selecting participants or data points for a study; validity, the accuracy of a research study; findings; reliability, the consistency of research result over repeated. Here is a video, so I'll encourage you all to watch this video for exploring how to use the internet efficiently, the research, and gather relevant information for reliable sources. So here, understand common steps in producing academic work. Producing high quality academic work requires a structured approach, following specific steps, ensuring that your work is clear, well researched, and meets academic standards. So let's explore these steps in detail here. Before starting your academic work, it is essential to identify the objective, understand the main goal of the assignment. Are you analyzing, arguing, or uh, reviewing topics? Clarify requirements, read the guidelines carefully, noting key details like word count, formatting rules, and the referencing citations, for example, uh, APA or Harvard reference system. Any question so far? Common steps in producing academic work. Further, uh, we'll discuss some other steps. So, conduct pre- uh, preliminary research. Once you understand the purpose, begins gathering background information. Use journal sources. Start with textbook, credible websites, or introductory academic materials to gain a broad understanding. Identify key themes and gaps, determine the main arguments, theories, and any missing areas in existing literature that requires further exploration. Develop a research plan to structure your research effectively. Formulate a research question or thesis statement. Create a clear, focused question that guides your study. List key concepts and keyword. Identify terms related to your topics to help locate relevant research materials, select reliable sources, use academic journals, books, and trusted database for credible information. Right. Any question? Okay, gather and evaluate sources. When collecting research materials, use a mix of primary and secondary sources. Primary sources like originals, research, case studies, and reports. Secondary sources like analysis, reviews, or interpretation of primary sources. Assess source credibility, check the author's background, publication date, and whether the information is from reliable institution or journal. Organize the and outlines. Creating an outline will help structure your work logically. Plan the content, arrange your ideas in logical sequence, ensuring such each section flows smoothly into the next. Break down sections depending on the type of academic work structure into sections such as introduction, literature review, methodology, or analysis finding. Draft and content. Provide a brief background of the topic, state the research questions, and explain its significance. Come when you come to the main body, present your arguments logically, supported by research evidence, analyze different perspectives, and synthesize information. When you start writing conclusions, summarize the key findings, restate the importance of your work, and suggest for future research direction if applicable. Integrate sources and reference properly. Uh, Referencing all borrowed ideas using in-text citation and references list. Paraphrase and quote thoughtfully. Use a mix of direct quotes and paraphrasing while maintaining the original meaning. Edit and revise before finalize your work. Review structure and clarity, ensure logical flow and coherence between sections, proofread for grammar and style, check for spelling, punctuations, and sentence clarity, verify references consistency, ensures all citations flow the required format and match the references list. Final presentation format according to guidelines, follow academic formatting rules for font, spacing, and margins. Include a title page and table of contents if needed. Ensure clarity and ease of navigations. Check submission requirements, confirm file format and submission guidelines before uploading your work. Any questions, any concerns, any issues about this section? Any questions so far? Okay, summary for this section is by following these structured steps, you can produce well organized and high quality academic work. This method ensures that your work is not only well researched and credible, but also clear and logically presented. Mastering these steps all will improve your ability to write academic papers and demonstrate both critical thinking and a deep understanding of your subject. Any question? Okay. Next topic is describe the common step in producing academic work. So, producing high quality academic work involves a series of common steps that ensures thorough research and clear, organizations and accurate presentation. So, understanding the assignments requirement before starting the academic task, it is essential to fully understand its what is expected. Next, identify the purpose, determine the goal of the assignments, whether it is analyze, evaluate, compare, or present an arguments. Review the guidelines, pay attention to details such as word count, structure, referencing style, for example, APA, Harvard, and submissions deadline. Clarify expectations. If anything is unclear, seek clarification from instructors or refer to provide rubrics. Any questions so far? Conducting preliminary research, again, we will go in some more depth. To build a strong foundation for academic work, students must first gather relevant background information, explore journal sources, start with books, encyclopedia, and reputable online sources to gain a broad identifying the topic. Identify key themes, note significant theories, authors, and arguments to determine the major aspects of these subjects. Recognize uh, knowledge gap, identify areas that requires deep research to strengthen your understanding. Developing research questions or thesis statement. Uh, a focused research question or thesis statement is essential for a well structured paper. Formulate a clear idea. The research question should directly relate to the assignment's purpose and guide the paper's direction. Ensures meaning manageability, keep the scope specific and achievable within the given word limit and time frame. Planning and outlining. Organize structure. Once research is complete, the first draft brings idea to life. Introduction, introduce the topic, outlines the research question of thesis, and provide necessary context. Main body, develop arguments, provide supporting evidence, and analyze finding. Each paragraph should focus on single idea and transition smoothly to the next. Conclusion, summarize key points, restate the importance of the findings, and suggest future areas of research if applicable. In Incorporating and referencing sources, uh, reliable, conducting in-depth research, comprehensive research, strengthen arguments, and provide credible evidence. Use reliable sources, evaluate sources, and take organized note. So, writing the first draft, uh, introduction, the topic, outline the research question or thesis, and provide necessary context. Main body, develop arguments, provide supporting evidence, and analyze finding. Each paragraph should focus on single idea and transitions smoothly to the next. Then conclusion, summarize the summarize key points, restate the importance of the findings, and suggest future areas of research if applicable. Incorporating and references in sources in text citations. Use in text citations according to the required referencing style, whether it's Oscola or Harvard reference system. Balance quoting and Phrasing, avoid over reliance on direct quotes by paraphrasing where possible while preserving original meaning. Create a reference list, include a properly formatted bibliography or reference sections listing all sources used. Any questions so far? Revising and editing ensures clarity, coherence, and overall quality. Review content, check for logical consistency, clarity of arguments, and relevance to the research question. Uh, Proofreading for errors, correct grammar, spelling, and punctuations mistakes to improve readability, ensure citations accuracy, double check, then all sources are cited correctly, and consistency. Final presentations and submission. Before submission, the documents should meet all academic standard. Format the documents, follow academic formatting rules, including font size, line spacing, and margin setting. Include necessary elements if required. Add a title page, table of contents, and appendices. Check submission guidelines, ensures that the final documents align with assignment's requirement and is submitted to the correct format. Any questions so far? Any concerns, any issues about this section? Okay, academic honesty is sorry, by following these steps, students can produce clear, well researched, and structured academic work. Each stage from understanding requirements to final submissions contribute to creating a high quality and credible academic paper. Any question? Explain what constitute plagiarism and other forms of academic misconduct. Uh, Academic honesty is a key part of learning. When students and researchers complete their work, they are expected to follow ethical guidelines. Violating these guidelines can lead to serious consequences. Now we will discuss plagiarism and other form of academic misconducts that students must avoid to maintain integrity in their work. Plagiarism. Anyone can any comments on this? If anyone can. Okay, so plagiarism happens when someone takes another person's work, such as words, ideas, research, or creative content, and presents in their own words without giving credit. This can happen internationally, intentionally, or accidentally. But in both cases, this is considered academic dishonesty. Types of plagiarism: direct plagiarism, paraphrasing plagiarism, direct plagiarism, copying and pasting text from a source without using questions marks or mentioning the authors. Paraphrasing plagiarism, changing some words or sentence structure uh, from a source but not giving credit to the original author. Uh, Self plagiarism, reusing your own past work, such as submitting to the same essay for two different classes without permission. Mosaic plagiarism, patch writing, mixing phrases from different sources and inserting them into your writing without proper citation. Uh, if caught, a student may receive a failing grade or even be suspended. Researchers who plagiarize may lose their credibility and face legal actions. It damages academic integrity and makes genuine learning less valuable. Any questions about plagiarism or any comments? Cheating. Cheating means using unfair and unauthorized methods to complete an exam, assignments, or project. This is another serious form of academic misconduct. Uh, Example of cheating: using unauthorized materials, bringing notes, books, or device into an exam when not allowed, copying answer, looking at another student's work, or sharing answers during a test, using online helps illegally, getting help from unauthorized online sources, including AI tool during exams or assignments. Consequences of cheating: students who cheat may receive a zero on their assignments or exam. They may face suspension or expulsion from their institution. It affects their personal growth and learning experience. Fabrication and falsification. Fabrication means creating fake information, data, or sources that don't actually exist. Falsification means changing or mean manipulating real data to make the results appear different from reality. Example: making up research data, inventing numbers or statistics for a project without conducting actual research, changing experimental results, alerting scientific results to fit personal expectations instead of reporting actual findings. Consequences of fabrication and falsification: false research can mislead people and damage the credibility of an academic field. It can result in the rejection of work, loss of
Hello?
degree, or legal actions. Hello.
Hello, yeah, I'm joined.
Hi, Asim. How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah, okay. So, conclusion for this section, sorry, collusions. What is collusion? Collusion happens when students work together on an assignments or test when they are supported to do it individually. Example of collusion: working with classmates on individual assignments. Two or more students share answers or idea instead of working separately. Sharing answer before or during an exams. A student gives another student answers, helping them cheat. Consequences of collusion: all students involved may receive a lower grade or fail the assignment. It is considered unfair because it gives some students an advantage over others. Any questions about collusions?
No.
Okay. Next is contract cheating. Contract cheating happens when a student pays someone else or asks someone else to complete their academic work. Example: using writing essays, services, paying a company or persons to write an assignments and submitting it as personal work. Hiring someone for an exam or online course, asking a friend, tutor, or online service to take a test or complete coursework on behalf of the student. Consequences of contract cheating: many universities treat this as a serious offense, leading to expulsion. It prevents students from learning and developing their own skills. Institutions used plagiarism detection tool to catch contract cheating. Any question so far?
No, I get it.
Okay. Unethical use of technology. Plagiarism, sorry, unethical use of technology. Technology can help students, but use it using it dishonestly is considered misconduct. For example, using AI to write assignment without permission, relying on AI, artificial intelligence writing tools without proper disclosure, checking plagiarism detection system using special characteristics or trick to avoid plagiarism detection, consequences of unethical technology use. Academic institutions are setting strict no rules on AI use. Misusing technology and result is in academic penalties, including assignment rejections or disciplinary action. Summary for this section, we discussed some key points of dishonesty, or I will just go through one by one for you because you are a bit late. So plagiarism is copying someone work without giving credit. Then we discussed cheating, includes using unauthorized help in exam or assignments. Fabrication and falsification involves making or altering research idea. Collusion is working with others when an assignment is meant to be individual. Contract cheating happens when students hire someone else to do their work. Unethical use of technology include misusing AI tools or trying to trick plagiarism detection software. So basically, understanding these forms of misconduct is important for maintaining fairness, honesty, and credibility in academic work. Always ensure that your work is original, properly referenced, and ethically completed. That's it for today. Here is some references, and then you can also visit your learning management system or Moodle for further material and books. Any questions, concerns, or issues so far?
Yeah, sorry, I was a bit late today. My Wi-Fi was a bit laggy, like yesterday, so I'm sorry about that.
No, 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 no. That's fine. Absolutely fine. You will get recorded lecture anyway. Okay.
Okay, yeah,
So thank you very much, Asim, and I'll see you tomorrow. Our session is tomorrow at 11 o'clock. Oh, sorry, 10 o'clock in the morning. Okay.
okay,
So I hope you know that it's 10 o'clock in the morning. Okay.
yeah,
Okay. Thank you very much, Asim, and see you tomorrow at 10. Okay. Bye
okay,
for now.